So yeah, it's over to you guys. आप लोग के सवाल जवाब. We'll take the media questions now. कहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं? अरे किधर है माइक? Yeah.
I'd like a puff, please.
Yeah.
Pani
We
and
can hear
Hello.
you. Yeah.
Hello.
पूछ
And
सकते हो.
chai.
And chai. Yeah.
Like, are we doing this
Hello,
now?
just
Can we ask for things and all?
Yeah.
You can ask for things for 9 more days. After June 1st, you can't ask for anything. Ekta, me and Nikhil are cutting you all off.
Hello. Hello.
You know the first question. She's ready. पूछ लो आप पूछ लीजिए please. Yeah. Go ahead with your question.
Good evening, Veerays. This is Soumyata from DNA.
Where are you?
I'm here. Hello. I'm here. Good evening, Veerays. You're looking stunning. I'm Soumyata from DNA. And my question is to you, Kareena. So your character Kalindi in the film, Kalindi, right? Yeah. Kalindi in the film is someone who is commitment phobic. But you have always been very, someone who is never shied away from, talking about your relationships and your married life. So what was that one thing that made you take up this role of Kalindi?
I think it was not that, she was commitment phobic that made me take up the role. I think what made me take up this part was because I think for a commercial mainstream actor who's always used to working with actors opposite, mainstream actors, be it Shah Rukh or Salman, I think for me it was very different to be a part of a film with 4 girls. I think the story is what I just got completely obsessed by. I thought it was really cool, and I think who better than this entire team to put this film together. So I think this was the reason I wanted to do it. And as far as Kalindi is concerned, I think that she's a really cool character, and there's a reason why she's commitment phobic, which we'll see in the film.
Okay, thank you so much, Kareena.
Hello, hi. This is Harnit Kaur from Bollywood Times.
Hi, Harni.
Hi, Kareena ma'am. So we have always seen you have worked with the A-listers of Bollywood, and this time it is a different scene. What do you have to say about that? Heroes, A-lister heroes.
Well, I've chosen the A-lister heroines this time.
Okay. And one more thing. Is Album Se, which is the song which describes you guys in personal life, all 4 of you? Your real life character.
I think Veere, the title track.
Veere? Kareena ma'am?
You think so?
Just
No,
say it. Just say you want to say it. I know what you want to say. Just say it.
Well, okay, I think I'm hot, so I'll go with Tarifa.
Yeah, see, I knew it.
Swara?
I think it would have to be large Sharam Chand.
Okay, and
तुम्हें कोई शर्म नहीं स्वरा.
and Shikha.
We are sharing a mic. Sorry. No, it's okay. Now I have 2. For me, it will be Bhangra Tasachda.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi, we can see you.
Yeah, okay. Nilima here from News 18 Lokmat. My question is to Kareena. Which is the most funniest moment on set which you want to share right now? Anyone else also can say. Most funniest moment.
I think it would have to be when throwing Sumit off the moon. I think that was quite funny because I've never done that in my career. I've never had the opportunity to throw a hero off from a moon. So thank you to the script writers, Ria, all of you for giving me this. It'll be I think it's going to go down in history.
It's an honor.
I've pushed. So I enjoyed that.
मेरा सवाल प्रोड्यूसर से है. एकता, रिया, सेंसर बोर्ड को लेकर आप लोग को कितनी प्रॉब्लम हुई या अभी तक नहीं आपने फिल्म?
हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा बिकॉज हमारे सेंसर बोर्ड ने अभी तक कोई प्रॉब्लम हमें दी नहीं है एंड वी डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस इट बिकॉज अभी तक सेंसर हमारे हाथ में आया नहीं है. जब आएगा आपको एक फॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट मिल जाएगा. रुचिका यहाँ शिवर कर रही है उसको कुछ, बट हमारे दोनों रिया और मेरे डैड गए थे एंड दे पुट अप इक्वल आर्गुमेंट बिकॉज अगर हम ऐसी पिक्चर बना सकते हैं जिसके लिए हमारे फादर जा सकते हैं, क्लियरली इट्स नॉट अ फिल्म दैट एनी ऑफ अस कैन बी अशेम्ड ऑफ. द बॉयज हैव गॉन celebrated Father's Day. Yeah, answer.
What she said. She's the boss, dude.
No. This time, Riya's the boss.
सोनम और करीना, आप सबसे ये सवाल है, यहाँ पे अभी टी शर्ट्स मिली थी जिसमें चिक फ्लिक का नाम लिया गया है, लेकिन ये फिल्म चिक फ्लिक नहीं है. उसके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे. और इस फिल्म के गाने ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे हिट हो गए हैं, काफ़ी कामयाब हुए हैं. आगे क्या सोचा है आप लोगों ने, किस तरह से आगे प्रमोशन करने वाले हैं?
आई थिंक ये स्वरा आंसर करेगी.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
मौन रख रखा है. अच्छा, बेबो.
I'll say.
Let Riya say.
Basically, the hashtag of I'm not a chick flick came up because, you know, we were just thinking about it, and everywhere that I would go, Ika would go, Nikhil would go, everyone, the girls would go, everyone would say that it looks fun, yeah, looks like a great chick flick. Looks like a chick flick. Acha, you're making a chick flick, right? This Veere Di Wedding, it's a chick flick. And I'm like, why is Charlie's Angels a chick flick and Rush Hour an action comedy? Why is my entire gender in one genre? I just want to know. All films that have women in it are in one genre, and, you know. So I just feel like, you know, and Veere Di Wedding is so much more than one thing. It's more than a comedy, it's more than a drama, it's more than, you know, it's life. And it's fun, and I don't think it can be put in a box. And I don't think any of us as girls can be put in boxes either. So that's what it is. It's a revolt against labels. Ladies against labels. Yeah. I am not a chick flick.
Hashtag ladies versus labels. I think Riya should come up with hashtags, not Swara or me.
No hashtags allowed. Hashtag.
Hi, Kareena, this is towards the back. Hi, this is Priyanka from Indian Express. Kareena, I wanted to know what's your idea of feminism? What do you feel about the concept? And are you one?
Well, I believe in equality. I wouldn't say I'm a feminist. I would say I'm a woman. And above all, I'm a human being. But also, I mean, I'm as proud to be known as Saif Ali Khan's wife as I am to be Kareena Kapoor. So that's just the way I am.
Sonam, hi, here.
Hi.
Sonam, we know that the movie, like your movie and Bhavesh Joshi are coming out on the same day. But today we also read that you are planning to move the release date because it's not.
Why am I in
like,
this? I have no.
Veere Di Wedding makers are planning.
The makers are here. Why are you asking me the question?
Okay, so anyone can answer.
Yeah, so I don't.
Is the release
Riya,
date still
take
the
this
same?
one, Riya.
Yeah.
I'll go with whatever you say.
We are not pushing any date. And yeah, does that answer your question?
Okay.
All right, we'll just take one last question. Riya?
Yes.
Yeah, straight down here. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Anand
Hi.
from Hangama.
Hi.
Hi. So when the promo came out, there were some prudish reactions to the language, but I think by the time it went to the fans and the people, they've responded very well to the way the girls are interacting. So do you think that's kind of validation, because to the TG you're talking to, they kind of identify with it and they know that there's nothing objectionable. This is how 4 girls in 2018 should talk.
Yeah, it's not about should. Like, for example, you know, they ask Kareena, like, Bebo, are you a feminist? You know, what is the definition of a feminist? Is someone who believes that boys and girls are equal. That is a feminist, okay? That's the actual definition if you look it up in the dictionary. So, coming back to your question, I'm actually not surprised. My TG that you speak of are normal girls, human girls, women, boys, people who interact with human girls, other humans, you know, and they see how people behave, and they know this is what is true. So how can you be angry about the truth, yeah? You know, you just have to be relaxed about it. You have to, basically the film is, what is the film? It just assumes that everyone already knows that girls are just like you. They make the same mistakes. They use the same language. You know, they're just prettier.
I'd just like to add, इस सारे स्टेज पे सिर्फ मैं अकेला इकलौता लड़का बैठा हूँ, तो इससे समझ में आना चाहिए लड़कियों का टाइम चल रहा है बॉस. समझ गए आप?
Fab.
Okay, yeah. और सवाल और ले सकते हैं हम, वक्त है. Yes, yes, ma'am, बिल्कुल. नारी शक्ति जिंदाबाद.
Hi, Sandeep here from ANI. You all 4 ladies are looking really gorgeous.
What are we here for? Props?
Wow, you're looking. I'm so sorry, I just missed you. You're looking beautiful
that's
too.
Even better.
All right. Ria, you two look good. All right.
Thanks,
Yeah,
man.
you too.
Thank you, dude.
You should do a me too on this one, man.
All
You
right.
can't be
नहीं,
you
मुझे
too,
तो
man.
कोई उम्मीद ही नहीं है, पर carry on.
हाँ, तो सवाल यही है.
First of all, never do this. When there are 6 girls, never compliment 4.
I apologize.
Oh my God. You have a nice voice, so we forgive you.
All right. रिहा, सवाल आपसे ये है. हमने जब यहाँ पे स्टार कास्ट आ रहे थे, सुमित व्यास आ रहे थे और बाकी के जो कैरेक्टर्स आ रहे थे, मेल कैरेक्टर्स की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, काफ़ी डरे डरे थे. और ये हमारे सामने जितनी भी खूबसूरत हसीनाएं बैठी हैं, काफ़ी उनको देख करके अच्छा लग रहा है. दे आर लाइक डोमिनेटिंग मेंस. राइट, आई एम हियर. सो क्या यही दृश्य हम पिक्चर में भी देखेंगे? और अगला सवाल ये भी है कि आज पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ गए हैं, तो विल दैट अफेक्ट इन योर मूवी?
ये सवाल आपको प्रोड्यूसर से पूछना
This I'm
चाहिए.
answering. You know, the boys, the characters in the film, especially, I have to say, Sumit's character in the film, Rishabh, is one of my favorite boys. Like, everyone should have a Rishabh, you know. So there is no dominating, there's nothing, you know. Bhandari, who is played by Vishwas, is my favorite character in the film, sorry. And he is just, he's outstanding. The man is an inspiration. And there's no such thing, you know, like girls are like girls in the film, boys are like boys. Everyone's just behaving normal in this film.
और mother lover भी होने चाहिए समाज में.
हाँ, Ishfaq, I can't say anything about your character because I'll give it away. But yeah, and the petrol prices, I don't know. My mother does my accounts. You can ask her.
बॉस, अभी फाइनली मेरे कपड़ों पर फाइनली ध्यान दिया. लेट मी टेल यू, पेट्रोल प्राइसेस जितनी भी बढ़ जाएं, लड़के लड़कियों को ड्राइव पे लेकर ही जाएंगे और लड़कियां आजकल लड़कों को ड्राइव पे लेकर जाएंगी. एंड दिस इज द मूवी यू आर नॉट गोना स्टॉप वाचिंग बिकॉज पेट्रोल प्राइसेस आर, बिकॉज at this time you need to spend less on driving and more in the theater.
Woo!
Right.
Not that there was any connection in my answer and the question, but same for the question and the answer.
Hi, Swara.
Swara, come on, do something
Hi.
for this
No, I'm
press
scared
conference. Come
already.
on,
Like,
come
I'm
on,
scared
Swara.
before
We
the
are
question,
releasing
I'm
you. We are
scared.
releasing you. The producers have released you. Come on, Swara.
What's up?
Need good copy.
मोहतरमा माइक
आपकी
ले
आवाज
लेते.
ही नहीं आ रही मैम.
स्वरा, हमने एक गाने में आपको देखा पोल डांस करते हुए, और अब तक जितनी भी फिल्में हमने आपकी देखी, अब तक सबसे डिफरेंट अवतार है इस फिल्म में आपके लिए. तो कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा आपके लिए पोल डांस करना?
I'm so proud of you.
मैडम, मैंने इस फिल्म में
I'm so
बहुत
proud.
सारी ऐसी चीजें करी हैं जो कभी नहीं करी हैं फिल्मों में, और कुछ ऐसी चीजें करी हैं जो जिंदगी में कम ही करी हैं. तो मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ, रिया और एकता जी और निखिल और राइटर्स का मतलब शुक्रिया कर सकती हूँ मैं.
And Shashank Ghosh.
And Shashank, कि
The
मुझे
captain
ये
of the
मौका
ship who's
मिला.
actually delivering the film and is not here right now. We
Yeah.
miss you, Shanks.
And मेरी कमर टूट गई है, वो अलग बात है.
आऊँ मैं माइक लेके? हाँ, आगे ना बस.
Hi.
So I read about this WhatsApp group that you guys have, and I just wanted to know what's the most scandalous conversation that you've ever had on that group?
Huge mess. The group is called Huge Mess.
I was trying to avoid saying what it was called, Riya and Priya.
I'm not saying what's in the group.
said the group is called Kapoors. I was like, but I'm not on any of this.
Didn't want anybody to know what the title of the
I'm on
group.
Huge Mess.
It's called a huge mess.
I can't confirm or deny anything that happens in that
We
group.
pretend that we are not.
I can neither confirm nor deny, but definitely the film reflects life. So watch it and you'll know what goes on.
Thank you.
All right, that's it. Yeah, it's. आप तो बड़ी देर से हाथ हिला रहे थे वहाँ पे. हाँ, आओ.
Hi, Karina. I'm Kajol from Filmfare. I wanted to know what was Saif's reaction to you watching in Tarifa and going all hot.
Saif's actually, actually, I don't think I can say that in public.
That was great. And what was Sonam, Anand's reaction watching you?
Anand's reaction?
Yeah.
He's like, baby, you look hot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
हो गया इससे पहले because I'll say one last question or suddenly I'll see somebody waving at me. Yes,
thank you so
please. One last question. We'll take this and we'll wrap it up.
Good evening. This is Hina from NDTV. You all are looking really pretty. Movie में एक song है भंगड़ा ता सजदा. No one gives a damn. So when was the last time when everybody danced like no one gives a damn?
At Sonam's wedding.
Sonam's wedding, yeah.
I danced at my best friend's birthday last night, and I think I broke my knee. So yeah, Bhangra Taj is that. No one gives a damn. I hope I'm okay by the time this film releases.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, सिफारिश आई है यहाँ पे. जी पूछिए. Credibility नहीं रही भाई आज तो. Last question की.
ये सवाल मेरा सोनम, करीना, स्वरा और आपसे शिखा आपसे है. क्या आप लोगों को लगता है कि इंडिया जो कंट्री है
ये आवाज बहुत सुनी सुनी लग रही है मुझे. Who's asking? Oh no.
This is Ravi
oh
from
no.
ABP News.
Kill it, Swara. India country are the first two words of the सवाल.
क्या आप लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया एज अ कंट्री साइमल्टेनियसली 16th सेंचुरी में जी रहा है और 21st सेंचुरी में भी जी रहा है? क्योंकि आज भी हमें ऐसी फिल्में बनानी पड़ती है, आज भी हमें ऐसी बुक्स लिखनी पड़ती है जिसमें बताना पड़ता है लोगों को एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. लड़कियों की भी अपनी एक डिज़ायर्स होती हैं, सेक्सुअल डिज़ायर्स होती हैं, नॉर्मल डिज़ायर्स होती है, सेक्सुअल फैंटेसीज होती है. आज भी लोगों को ये बार बार बोलना पड़ता है. तो इस बारे में आप लोगों की क्या राय है?
Swara is going to answer this question. Swara wants to answer this question.
मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ. आप मुंशी प्रेमचंद की कहानियाँ पढ़िए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आज तक ये पहले इसका खुलासा नहीं हुआ है. मैं आपको फिल्मों, आप इसके बाद मुझसे मिलिए, मैं आपको 10 ऐसी फिल्मों का नाम दूंगा जिसमें इन सारी बातें फिल्मों में बहुत खुल के कही गई हैं.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि आज भी इस कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन में हम जी रहे हैं कि लोगों को बताना पड़ता है कि भाई लड़कियों की भी डिजायर्स हैं. ये सवाल है मेरा.
130 करोड़.
आप मेरे सवाल को गलत ले रहे हैं.
130 करोड़ लोगों की आबादी का देश है. कॉन्ट्रडिक्शंस होंगे ही.
स्वाभाविक बात है. And I agree with you. I feel that for us it's always going to be like this, and that's the fun of it. And you're right.
And इसलिए ये फिल्म खास है, right? मतलब क्योंकि and I think कि वो जो अंतर्द्वंद की बात कर रहे हैं आप, वो तो obviously हर समाज में होगा ही, कहीं पे भी दुनिया में. इंसान के अंदर भी होता है, समाज में भी होता है. So obviously वो हमारी फिल्मों में भी और reflect करेगा. But I think कि I'm saying this every single day. This is my nara. But I think it really ज़रूरी है बोलना कि 105 साल हो गए हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को 1913 से, और पहली बार मेन स्ट्रीम बॉलीवुड एक ऐसी हिंदी फिल्म बना रहा है जिसमें 4 लड़कियां दोस्त हैं, उनकी जिंदगी की कहानी है और किसी को सेम लड़के से प्यार नहीं हो रहा है. तो वो कमाल की बात है और वो खास बात है इस फिल्म की.
Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. बाकी वो कुछ साहित्य रहे निखिल भाई के पास. I'm sure he'll share it with you.
सोनम.
So हो गया बस. We'll have to wrap up. पूछ लो फिर चलो.
करीना और सोनम, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस सवाल?
I think जो स्वरा ने कहा मैं उससे बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ.
Cool है.
Hi. Can I ask one thing to Ekta? Hi Ekta, Bhavna this side from Z. Ekta, how did you plan to back this film? And since everyone is saying it's not a chick film, it's not a chick film, आपके लिए फिल्म क्या है?
मेरे लिए ये फिल्म एक फिल्म है. As a businesswoman, I'm very sure about this film. I am actually I love the script. When I was in my career low, I picked it up. I trust the producers. I have 4 hot, stellar actresses in it. And I have always believed that when I had a film which was not so successful on paper, it has become super successful even before release. Dirty Picture, I was told that this film is a flop. How can you make a film with Vidya Balan playing a heroine and that also an item number girl and this and that, never going to happen. and that film got sold before. Same way, my mother came and hugged me after she saw the film. She's called me up and said, "This is a bloody outstanding film. I just wish we were born at this time where we could take these steps." The movie has clearly covered most of its cost, and we are looking at a great, great, great clean run. So I think I'm a happy producer.
Yay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So also
Harsh,
one more
that's it.
thing. Guys, I just have to say that Shashank Ghosh is the captain of the ship, the director of a film. He did Khoobsurat with me, and he's done some wonderful films before that. And he has made an amazing film, and we're all very, very proud of it. And thank you, Shashank.
Yes.
We miss you.
We miss you.
Also,